Morning children. In today's session I am going to take science for 4th standard. That is, those who have the book you can take page number 69. Okay children. So first lesson name is water. So the introduction is given here. Water is the most abundant and precious resources on the earth. Abundant means nariya. Yeah. So, and precious resource, that is more important precious resource on the earth. It is found in oceans, seas, rivers, streams, lakes, ponds and even under the ground. So நம்ம ஏரி குளம் இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் நம்ம அண்டர்கிரவுண்ட் நிலத்தடியில் இது எல்லாமே நம்ம வந்து பார்க்கலாம். Then all living things need water to live and to do many other activities. So all the living things need water to live. நம்ம வந்து இந்த உலகத்தில் சர்வைவ் பண்ணணும்னா உயிரோட வாழணும்னா what we need water to survive. Okay, and we have already learned about this in the previous classes. In third standard also we learned. Now we are going to learn more. Now water occurs naturally in three forms, that is ice, water and water vapor. Water, that is ice, water and water vapor. Okay children, now these forms are also called states of water. So this is called as a states of water. Children, states of water. These forms are also called states of water. Ice is in solid form, water is in liquid form and water vapor is in gaseous form. So this is solid, ice solid, water liquid and water vapor is a gas form. So solid, liquid and gas. These are the three states of water. These states occur naturally because of the changes in the temperature. As the temperature changes, these forms also changes. Water becomes ice in cold regions. So cold regions la vandu water enna maarum, ice maarum. For example, if you take Antarctica, when you see that it's very coldest regions, all the water has changed into ice. Panikattiya maarudhu illaya. Then remains as water in oceans and rivers. So now water vandu edha nama paakalam, oceans and rivers, and becomes water vapor due to the heat of the sun. And water vapor eppo maarudhu and the sun is there. Okay, heat of the sun. Then see the pictures given there. Solid, that is ice or snow, liquid drinking water and the gas water vapor. So it's given here. See children, that is ice, then liquid water and then water vapor is gas. Okay, now down you can see on there, fill the boxes given below with correct answers. That is change of states in water. Now 3 beakers are given. Okay, that is then water, then gas. Then here okay, so that is solid. This is the options are given there: liquid, solid, melting, freezing, cooling, heating and gas. So this is solid and this is liquid and this is gas. Okay, so solid when melting, okay, ice when melting changes into liquid, then liquid on heating changes into gas. Again this on cooling, this water, that is hot water, when it changes then cooling, that is liquid forms, and the liquid when freezing it becomes solid. Okay children, do you understand this? So solid, that is ice, that is melting changes into liquid, and liquid when heating gas is formed there, and then again when it's heat hot gas, that is cooling, and cooling again what forms a liquid is formed, and the liquid again when freezing becomes solid. Okay children, did you understand this? Those who have the book you can take down in your book there. Then first is solid state. It is ice is a solid form of water. So I said ice is a solid. Then all temperatures below 0 degrees becomes water becomes ice. That is ice 0 degrees, below 0 degrees water becomes ice, and this process is called freezing. This is called freezing. Okay, below 0 degrees. Okay, when water becomes ice, it is called as a freezing. Then it's given there, already given, that is here water cooling. On cooling it becomes ice at 0 degrees, that is below 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is solid. Then next, if you take liquid state, water in a liquid is available in water bodies such as oceans, rivers and waterfalls, etc. So liquid is nothing but the water. Okay, that is you can see in the oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes, all this you can see. Then gaseous state. Gaseous state means is what? Water vapor. So water becomes water vapor as the temperature increases. Okay, in the solids, that is in cooling, it is below 0 degrees. While gaseous state, that is in water vapor, it is increases due to heat, and heating forms a white mist of extremely small water droplets. For example, நீங்கள் வந்து தண்ணி வந்து நீங்கள் சூடு பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா அது என்ன ஆகுது, மேலே வந்து you are closing it with the lid. When you open the lid, அந்த fast heat ஆகிட்ட அப்புறம் you can see the small droplets in the lid இல்லையா. So the water droplets in the air known as water vapor. And the water droplets are water vapor. Okay, so that is water. That is gas means water. Then heating, water vapor. Then 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, now next is we'll go to the water cycle. Okay, now water cycle, so next we'll go to the, or we'll see what is water cycle. Water cycle. Okay, so this is water, then evaporation, that is water evaporates, and this is clouds, here is condensation, then rain falls, that is precipitation. Okay, this is precipitation. Now we'll see now. In nature, water keeps changing its state. So in the nature, இயற்கையிலேயே நம்ம வந்து வாட்டர் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும் அதோட ஸ்டேட் இல்லையா, தட் இஸ் சாலிட் டு லிக்விட், லிக்விட் டு கேஸ். அந்த மாதிரி இப்போ நம்ம வாட்டர் சைக்கிளில் வந்து நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா, let us see how this happens. Due to the sun's heat, water in oceans and rivers changes into water vapor and rises up. அதாவது due to the heat of the sun, நல்லா சூடாக இருக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகுது, it changes into water vapor, that is called evaporation. Okay, water vapor change ஆகி அது வந்து change, it goes into the air, that is water becoming water vapor on heating is called evaporation. So what is evaporation, children? That is water becoming water vapor is called evaporation. This is water vapor. Okay, is called as a evaporation. Okay, that is due to the change in the heat of the sun, the water changes into water vapor, that is called as a evaporation. Then the water vapor, when comes in contact with the cool air, becomes water droplets. Okay, and it changes the combines, water droplets are formed. Yeah, this is called condensation. So அது மேலே clouds அப்போ என்ன ஆகுது, it forms a tiny water droplets, that is called as a condensation. And the water droplets combine to form clouds. இது எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து என்னவா மாறுது, clouds. All these combine to form clouds. Then the water droplets continue to combine. So they will continue to combine. அப்படி ஒன்றா combine ஆகும்போது they become heavy. Okay, ரொம்ப நிறைய இதாகிடுமே form ஆகிடும். They become big and heavy, and these water droplets fall down as rain. As they become heavy, they form as rain, and that is called as a precipitation. And in colder places, combined water droplets come down as snow, sleet or hail. That is in colder places. இப்போ இந்த colder places எல்லாம் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா அங்கெல்லாம் என்ன ஆகும், அங்கே வந்து ரெயினாக இருக்காது, அங்கே வந்து ஆஸ் அ நிறைய ஹெவியாக ஃபார்ம் ஆகி இட் வில் கம் ஆஸ் அ ஸ்னோ, பனின்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, ஸ்னோ, அண்ட் தென் ஸ்லீட் ஆர் ஹேல், தட் இஸ் ஐஸ், ஐஸ் மழைன்னு சொல்கிறோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரியெல்லாம் பெய்யும் அங்கே வந்து கோல்டர் ரீஜன்ஸ்லாம். So this continuous change of water from one state to another in nature is called water cycle. That is this change of continuous change of water, that is from evaporation to condensation to precipitation. Okay, to precipitation. This is called as a water cycle. So shortly they have given what is water cycle. The continuous cycle through which water is circulated but different process like evaporation, condensation and precipitation is called water cycle. So do you understand, children, what is water cycle? That is, water is there. So due to the heat of the sun, what happens? It changes into water vapor. Then water vapor is called as a evaporation. Now here what happens? This forms a tiny droplets and then these combine. Combine to form clouds. Okay, and then these clouds combine as they combine, big heavy droplets are formed. And the heavy we get as a rain. That is called as a precipitation. In colder regions, cooler rain hail, that is ice, panikatti mala solrolya, and the mani colder regions heavy are they combine heavy rain, then it comes as a rain for them or other ice rain and like that. That is called as a precipitation. Now do you understand what is water cycle, children? That is evaporation, condensation and precipitation is called as a water cycle. Now next we will go, then importance of water cycle they have given. It improves the availability of the groundwater. So you get more groundwater. It controls at Earth's temperature also. Romba heat illama mala peyumbodhu namakku cool ah irukku illaya. So it controls the temperature. Then it provides water. So if we get the rain, we get water to the plants and animals, especially human beings also. Then to recycle the Earth's supply of water constants, you can recycle the water. Then evaporation, condensation, precipitation irukilla, that's recycling. Now we'll go to the rainwater harvesting. Now rainwater harvesting is nothing, it is a process of collecting and storing the rainwater. Okay, this, I think you have understood this water cycle. Now we'll go to the rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. Okay, children. Now this rainwater harvest is nothing, it's collecting the, this, if you take, this is a house, this is roof, okay. Then you get pipe is there. Then it goes down under the surface of the water. There is a pit, okay. And here it is a bore, okay. Now rain from the clouds, okay. So that is rainwater harvesting, process of collecting and storing the rainwater for future use. Future na nama vandu varungalathukaga semithu vaikkiradhu. Inga rainwater harvesting adha puriyudha. So rainwater can be collected in the natural reservoirs that are artificial tanks also. Natural reservoirs are ponds, lakes, rivers idellame. So artificial tanks, that is tanks in the houses like that. Then rooftop harvesting. This is only a rooftop harvesting, okay. Rooftop harvesting, that is, it is also a type of rainwater harvesting. Here the rainwater on the top of the building is collected. Roof irukilla mela on the top of the idella irukku, that is terrace angella vandu collect aayirukku illaya thanni. So the rain or water on the top of the building is collected and passed into the ground through pipes. Here this is a pipe, it's passed into the ground through the pipes, and water passing through the pipes enters a pit. Pit in a Korean solid, it enters into the pit, which consists of gravels and the coarse sand. Here on the gravels na chinna chinna kal irukum. First periya pal, then a small gravels and a sand. Okay, that is a pit which can consist of gravels and sand. As it passes, impurities are filtered. Inga vandu impurities ange enna thanniyoda vara impurities ella vandu anga collect aidum, filter aidum, and then stored as a groundwater. Then it goes to the borewell. Okay, it goes here as a pure water. That is rainwater harvesting. Did you understand, children? So what is rainwater harvesting? That is, in that rooftop harvesting is very important, where the water is collected on the roof and then it comes through the pipe, okay, and goes to the underground. Here there is a pit, it's collected in the pit. In the pit you have a gravel and the sand. Gravel na chinna chinna kal inge collect ayi na agum. Here the impurities ange irukra and thannila vara ella impurities ellame vandu inge filter aidum. Filter na collect aayittu anga appadi ninnidum. Here then goes to the bore, that is pure water goes to the bore. So that is called as a rainwater harvesting, which can be saved for your future use. Then benefits of rainwater harvesting, that is, it increases the groundwater level. So groundwater level is increased. Then it can be used for agriculture. Vivasayathukku use agum. Seriya? It increases the availability of water for living things. For living things, our water is increased. Then here they have given more to know. Your rainwater harvesting is the only way to conserve rainwater. Rainwater that is rainwater harvesting is the only way for conserving the rainwater. Save pannana rainwater harvesting is very important. Then the rainwater harvesting was launched in the year 2001. So when it started in 2001 by the government. Then Tamil Nadu is the first Indian state which made rainwater harvesting as mandatory. Mandatory na compulsory. Compulsory adu vandu use agnu appdin solli. So first Indian state which made rainwater harvesting as mandatory. Then see page number 75, 73 more to know kira parunga. H2O is a chemical formula of water. So water ku chemical formula is H2O. Okay. Then same in the same picture, same page. See, try to answer. Unscramble the words and fill in the blanks. Try to answer la parunga. Try to answer. The first they have given. Unscramble the words. Unscramble. So first one is condensation. First one, condensation. Next, evaporation. This I'll ask in the exam, children. So take down this unscrambled words. Then precipitation. That is in page number 73. Trying to answer. All first three irukku. Okay, in that. Then next is the next we will see the page number 75, children. See the evaluation. First choose the correct answer. Water is the most dash resource on the earth. Water is the most dash. I think you have taken down this, children. We'll go to the evaluation, page number 75. So first one is choose. Water is the most dash resource on the earth. A, precious. Okay, A, precious. Then B, water exists in dash states. B, 3 states. Okay, water exists in dash states. 3 states. B. Then third, at temperature below dash, water freezes to form ice. Answer is C, 0 degrees. Children, take down in your book. Next time I'll not give this. So first take down. If you have the classwork, you can write. Then fourth one, dash is a process by which water becomes water vapor. Answer is B, evaporation. Then fifth, which controls the ecological functions of life? Fifth one is B, water cycle. So choose once again. I'll tell you all the answer. First one A, second B, third C, fourth B, and fifth B. Okay, children, I have taken down. Next we'll go to the fill in the blanks. Take down this, children. Next I will not give this. So take down. Then Roman number 2. Fill up. Then first one, water is converted into dash when it is heated. That is, options are given. So first one is water vapor. Water vapor. Mark it in your book, children. Then second, water becomes ice on dash. Freezing. Water becomes ice on dash. Freezing. Options are given. You can mark it, children. Water droplets combines to forms dash. 3 clouds. Then next, water cycle increases the availability of dash groundwater. Then fifth one, dash is a type of rainwater harvesting, rooftop harvesting. Okay, children, have you marked it? And you can write there in the dash, children. You fill up. So first one is water vapor, second freezing, third clouds, fourth groundwater, and fifth rooftop harvesting. The next is true or false. Roman number 3. True or false. Okay, children. First one, water is a good example for all states of matter. So answer is true. Second, water cycle controls Earth's temperature. True. Water becoming water vapor on heating is called evaporation. True. Fourth, 37% of a brain's mass consists of water. False. Rooftop harvesting method is true. Okay, children. So first one is true, second one true, third one true, fourth one false, and fifth one true. So only the fourth one only is false there. Okay, children. So I have given the objectives for you. In the next class, I will give you the question answer, student. Thank you.